Glasses can collect dust, fingerprints, and oily residue throughout the day. Over time, this buildup can make your lenses look cloudy and affect how clearly you see. Cleaning glasses the wrong way can easily cause tiny scratches that permanently damage the lenses. Using the right method helps keep your glasses clean while protecting them from scratches. Start by washing your hands. This step is important because clean hands prevent dirt, oils, or grit from transferring onto the lenses while you handle them. Next, hold your glasses under a gentle stream of warm water. This helps rinse away dust and small particles that may be sitting on the surface. Removing these particles first is one of the best ways to prevent scratches while cleaning. Once the glasses are rinsed, place a small drop of regular dish soap on each lens. You only need a tiny amount. Dish soap works well for breaking down oils and fingerprints without damaging the coatings on the lenses. Using your thumb and index finger, gently rub the lenses in small circular motions. This allows the soap to lift away smudges and residue without using any rough materials that could scratch the surface. Also wash the rest of the frames. Areas like the bridge of the glasses and the parts that sit on your ears often collect oils and buildup, so gently rub those areas as well. It's very important not to use paper towels, tissues, or clothing to clean your lenses. These materials may feel soft, but their fibers can create tiny scratches that build up over time and make the lenses look dull. After cleaning, rinse the glasses thoroughly under warm water to remove all soap residue. Finally, dry them with a soft microfiber cloth made specifically for eyeglasses. These cloths are designed to be gentle on lenses, helping remove moisture and streaks without leaving scratches behind. By rinsing first, using mild dish soap, and drying with a proper microfiber cloth, you can keep your glasses clean while protecting the lenses from the scratches that often happen with improper cleaning.